Hi everyone, so in this video lesson we're going to take a look at the last three bars of at the foot of Yonder mountain. So that's going to be bars 4, 5 and 6 of the last line. So we're just going to jump straight in and take a look at the fourth bar on the last line, and we're going to start off by just taking note of the notes that you are going to play. So if you've got a pencil, you can jot these down on your handbook. So the first note is an A note, and then the next four notes are all D notes. So if you're writing this down, it will go E, D, 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 D. Okay, so we're now just going to clap through those notes to just understand the timing or the rhythm of them. The first two notes are quavers, so they are basically worth half a beat each, and we're squeezing two notes into beat number 1. So we count that as one and, or you can use the word chicken. And then the next note is a crotchet, okay, and it lasts for one beat and it's falling on beat number 2. So we would count that as 2. So putting those first three notes together, it goes like this: 1 and 2, or chicken 2. Then the last two notes are also quavers, taking up beat number 3, and we count that as 3 and. Okay, so putting this all together, it goes like this: 1 and 2, 3 and. So we're just going to take a look at our tablature now and see where we find these notes. So as mentioned, the first note is an E note, but this time we're playing the E note on the 4th string. So it's the 2nd fret, 4th string. So that's where your E note is. Then the remaining notes, which are all D notes, are going to be played on the 4th string, and you don't need to hold down any notes. You're just playing the 4th string open. So if I was just to play this bar, just so you can get a feel for how it sounds, it goes 1 and 2, 3 and. I'll do that again: 1 and 2, 3 and. And if you want, we'll practice that together after 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3 and. Okay, so we're just now going to take a look at the next bar, which is bar number 5. And we'll start off by just taking, just jotting down the notes that we're going to play. So if you have a pencil, write down E, G, G, A. So that's E, G, G, A. And we're now just going to clap the notes out. Okay, so starting off, and we have two quavers at the start, which are taking up beat number 1. So we count those as 1 and then the remaining two notes are both crotchets, which take up beats 2 and 3. So we count those as 2, 3. So putting that bar together, we go 1 and 2, 3. So if I was just to play that, okay, let's just take a note of where we find these notes using our tablature. So the E note, we're back on the 4th string, 2nd fret, using our 2nd finger. Then we've got 2 zeros on the 3rd string, which are G notes, and then you finish off by playing the 2nd fret, 3rd string, which is an A note, and again you're using your 2nd finger, that 2nd fret. So putting that together, it goes like this: 1 and 2, 3, and again 1 and 2, 3. And we'll just try to play that note or bar together after 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. Okay, so we're just now going to finish off this line, just taking a look at the last bar. The good news is we only have one note to play, and it's a G note if you're jotting that down on your handbook. And you'll see there it's a white note, or the proper name for that is minim, so it lasts just for 2 beats. So it goes like this: 1, 2, if we were clapping it out. And if you were playing it, you'll see it's a 0 on the 3rd line of our tablature. So we're playing the 3rd string, and we just play it and count for 2 beats. So we go 1, 2. So we're now just going to put those last 3 bars together. Okay, so I'll play it for you first, and then you might want to have a go with me in the next turn. So after this, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3 and 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, let's try and do it together. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so remember, now that you've basically learned the whole piece, you have to play this twice. You'll see there's a repeat sign at the end of the music, so you have to play this through twice for your recorded exam. So well done for getting to this stage, completing it. So try and put the whole thing together and practice as hard as you can, and I'm sure I'll see you in the next Zoom lesson.